We've gotten so much snow over the last week, and just when you think the snowstorm's done, we keep getting another one, and then the wind gets awful. So we have really been hunkering down. I've just been doing a lot of shoveling and a lot of cooking, and honestly, it's been kind of nice being snowed in. It was finally time for me to shovel and create a pathway to the sauna and the cold plunge because it was really hard to even walk. The snow is, I think it's like up past my knee at this point, and it just so happened that the dogs ended up loving the pathways. When they go outside now, they just sprint up and down the pathways, so it worked out for both of us. Sean and I put together this shed back in the fall, and I'll be honest, we really struggled to put it together. I don't think it's the sturdiest thing we've ever put together. So when I saw the mounds of snow on the roof, I thought it would be best to clear it because we were getting another snowstorm that day, and I'm very glad we did because I just didn't want to deal with the shed being collapsed.